Today, I want to show you how you can start an online business without spending any money at all. You'll be able to do this even if you're a student, a sit-at-home mom, a jobless youth like me, and basically anybody who doesn't have any money to put online and wants to actually make money. This is one of the most asked questions. How do I start a business with no money? Is it possible? In fact, yes, it is. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use just 2 websites to start making money online almost immediately. I'll show you because I do it and the results are beginning to come in. And that's why I'm sharing this with you. So if this video helps you, please like the video, subscribe. My name is 𝐌𝐚𝐬𝐭𝐞, and by now you should know that I am your friend and I make videos like this. So make sure you subscribe. Now, this is the first website I want you to come to. This is going to work more for Nigerians and Africans in general. So if you're not a Nigerian or an African, this is basically not going to work for you because this platform is basically for Africans. So the first step is to come to your Google and search for Jumia affiliate program or Jumia KOL. So you come here, you search for Jumia affiliate program. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to get in and how to promote your offers for free, completely free. Remember, we are going to do this without spending even ₦1. So you come here, this is the interface you are going to find. This is the Jumia affiliate program. So you click on join now. So you want to register to become an affiliate for Jumia, and everybody in Nigeria basically knows Jumia. Jumia is a unicorn company in Africa, which means they do a lot of, in short, they are the king of e-commerce in Africa. So what you have to do is come here, you click on join now, and you want to join Jumia. So here you want to put your name, your correct name, make sure to put your correct name. Put a password, select your country. In this case, we are going to be selecting Nigeria, and then you put your phone number. So here where it says account type, you want to select that. If you have 5,000 followers on any of the social media platform like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, anywhere, you can select that you are a micro influencer. If you have more than 100K, you are a big guy. So you are a mega influencer. But if you don't have all those things, maybe you are just like me, you can say you are an affiliate and an individual. So they are just going to ask you for a website or social media. Just copy your Facebook, your Instagram, or even a YouTube channel link if you have any, and put it right here and agree to the terms. So it's going to take you to a phase where you need to put your account information like bank account and all of those stuff. So once you do everything, you'll be able to sign in. So I'm not going to do this anymore because I have an account already, and the approval might just take a few minutes or days depending on the crowd you have. So if I come back here, you can see I can sign in. So I click on sign in. So now that I've signed in, this is the account overview, and yes, as you can see, I've earned about 2,000 something here. I know this is not a lot of money, but making money anywhere, online, offline, is largely about the proof of concept. So if you prove that something can give you ₦1, that thing can actually give you 100 million. So you just need to do more of what you have done to see more of the result that you are seeing. So as you can see here, this is just from I think 2 or 3 orders. And if you come here, you can see that so far I have 2 clicks going so far. So you have all the information you need right here. So right here you see our commissions approved to be paid. So currently this is a commission they are going to pay me. This spending is waiting for, because this is an e-commerce site, people have the option to return product if it doesn't meet their needs. So this is going to be pending until these people confirm, like when the return policy expires, then it's going to move from pending to this. So this shows me that I have earned this money, but they cannot pay me until that time is passed, which means again that if people return this, the commission here is going to be reduced. So pending is not exactly what I'm going to receive until that time passes. So before we talk about any other thing we can do here, I want to show you how to put your account details. So if you come to your profile here, if you come to your account details, you see that this is your account ID. They are going to give you the information once they've created the account for you, and you are supposed to put a tax ID or a national ID, like a national your name. And if you come to the account payouts here, or payout details, this is where you find your bank account. So as you can see, I'm using my Stanbic Bank, and they would send me the money once they are ready to. So you put your your own bank account. It can be any Nigerian bank. The currency is set to Nigeria by default because, of course, we are Nigerians. So the way Jumia Affiliate works is that people click on your links and they shop on Jumia, and you earn the commission as long as they click on your link. So let's talk about the commission percentages. So we want to look at Nigeria. So if you are from Egypt, this is for Egypt. This is now for Nigeria. These are the commission, and the commission isn't that bad. So you can see women accessories 7%, clothing 777, men's shoe 6, men's clothing, boys, girls, women's shoe, baby beauty and perfume. So you basically see all the commissions you are going to earn for the different category of items that they have on Jumia.com. So you have this information. Now you want to come here where it says advertising. But before you go to advertising, if you come to reports here, you can see your conversions. You can see the products that people are buying from your own link. As you can see, we have some here. So you can see the prices of the item they bought. You can see the commissions you've earned. So this is the local commissions. You can equally see where this is coming from. It's coming from YouTube, because I made a video about a particular product on YouTube, and I just put the link right there, and people click the link to buy. So that's basically how the entire thing works. So for you to get your affiliate link and for you to start promoting these links, you want to come to advertising right here, and you want to come to offers. So from the offers, you want to come to Jumia e-commerce, and you want to look for your country. So in this case, you are in Nigeria, so you can find Egypt, Tunisia, and I think Jumia is in South Africa. I'm not so sure about that, but wherever they are, you are going to see it here. So we are in Nigeria, so we click on Nigeria. Now from here, you can see the different things that you can affiliate on Jumia.com. So for instance, we want to talk about let's say we want to do holiday collection. So they have different promos that they run from time to time. Or let's use this power up generators and stabilizers, because these are very common in Nigeria these days. So once you click on it, you can basically get, this is now your affiliate link. So you can click on shorten this link, and then you can copy it. This is what you want to promote. This is going to be your affiliate link to Jumia. This is what you want people to click on for you to make money. So if you have a website and you want to put this banner on your website, this is the URL. You can download this image and put it on your website too. If you want to make it a code, a banner on your website, you can copy this. In my next video, I'm going to do a complete video where I set up everything how it should be if you have a website. So if you want to watch that video, make sure to subscribe and also like this video so I can know if I should proceed to make that video or not. So from here, you can equally select the size of the banner that you want. So there are different sizes that you can use depending on how large you want it to be. So once you have that, this is now your affiliate link, and this is the link you want to promote. So before I show you how to promote this link for free, let's talk about how to get these links for individual product. Let's say you want to promote an individual product. How do you get the link to promote? So you want to create custom links. So you want to go to Jumia, and then you want to find the main products that you want to affiliate. Let's say, for instance, I want to affiliate a blender. I can come here, search for a blender, and I want to get the product link for that blender. So if I come here, I'll see all the different kind of blenders that are here. So let's say I wanted to promote this one by 𝐈𝐻𝐿. So I can click on this link. So what I have to do is copy this link right here. So if I copy it, I come back to Jumia dashboard. I come to custom links right here. So I select the custom links, and I want to put the link that we just copied right here. Again, you want to select Jumia e-commerce, and you want to select Nigeria again. So this is important. Don't select another country because it's not going to work. So you select Nigeria. So you come here, you paste the link here, and then you just hit on enter, and it's going to generate. This becomes your affiliate link. So you can copy this link, come here, just check to see if your link is in order. So as you can see, it says blah 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 blah, which shows that this is basically our affiliate link. And you can see it brings us straight to this page, and people have 7 days to buy this product. So the moment they click on this, they have 7 days cookie duration to buy on it, which is quite nice. So they can basically add to cart, and then they can buy it. So you now know how to register on this platform and how to get your links. Let's talk about how to actually make money with it. So in my own case, I usually do YouTube videos, but you don't want to do YouTube because you might be shy like me. So you use this free website called facebook.com. So everybody is on Facebook, and instead of you just being on Facebook arguing and chatting and wasting your time, you can use this method to actually make money on Facebook. So this is how to go about it. First, you want to come back to this, and I want to come to I want to get a product that I want to use to affiliate. So to get that, you come to Jumia e-commerce, and then you want to get a particular picture that we want to use as our advert. So what we are doing is that we are basically creating an advert on Facebook. So let's say we want to use this Oraimo because gadgets do well in Nigeria. So you can come here and you can select the size of the link you want. So you can select anyone you want right here. So you can also download this picture. So let me just download it. Alternatively, you can come to each product themselves, like this one. You can see the product images, and you can basically just save it, right click and save this picture. So you can save this image to your computer. All right, you can save as much as possible. So I'm just going to show you how to do this properly. So you save as much as possible with all the information, and so I've collected 3 pictures, and I'm going to just copy the name here. So this is from 𝐈𝐻𝐿. So I come to Facebook. So what we want to do is we want to come to the Facebook marketplace. I want to list this item as though we want to sell them. So you come here, you list on Facebook marketplace. You come here, you click on create a new listing, and then you come here, you select item for sale. So this is, you want to list your item right here. So this is where you include the pictures. So you come here, you want to include the pictures we just downloaded. So we are just going to use these 3 of them. So you can use your own picture depending on your own your own product that you are selling. So you can move this main product to be the main picture that people are going to see. So this is where you put your title. You come here, you put the title. So you come here, you put the title, and this is the title we just copied from Jumia. So you come here, you add the description. You can come back to Jumia again and get, if you come here, you see the description right here. You can copy this. And include all the specifications. You see everything you need right here. So you come right here, you paste the description you just copied, and you come here right here again, you put the price. So on Jumia, the price is somewhere around 22,000 naira. So you can make this 20,000 naira just to attract people, or you can just keep it at 22,000 naira. So you want to select the category, and it is under appliance, household appliance. You want to select the condition. This is new from 𝐈𝐻𝐿. You want to select the brand. You can write 𝐈𝐻𝐿 here. And then you can select the type of blender it is. Is this a Jukes mixer or whatever it is? You come here, you say listing as a single item. You can say list as a stock. That means it's plenty. You can say the limit is 20. You can say you have 20 or 10. This is not really important. You can list it as one item anyways. So you come here, you select the location. So you can select where you want it to be listed. You can say maybe Nigeria, or You can select Abuja, you can select Benin, you can select, you just basically want to select where you know that Jumia has its strongest points and they will deliver fast. So I'm just going to select Lagos, Nigeria here. So if you want your friends on Facebook to see this or not, you can hide them to see it or not. This is not very important to us. So you click on next, and then you can basically list it in other marketplaces in Nigeria. So you need to join some of these groups for you to list them. So these are some of the groups that I joined. So if you want to list them across, you can basically select all these things, but we don't want to list them now. So you basically come here and then you click on publish. So now this is what our listing will look like. So you can share this listing to people, and then they can share it to your friend, or you can copy the link and send it to them. But people can actually come to Facebook Marketplace. If they were searching for blenders, they can see your blenders, and they are going to send you messages, and you are going to receive this message as a Facebook or Messenger message. Now the trick here is when they message you, because Facebook doesn't allow us to put links on this website. So once they message you, what you are going to do is tell them that they can order it on your website on Jumia. And the reason why you are doing that is because most people would want you to deliver this product before they pay, which is what Jumia does. So if you redirect them to Jumia, they are going to trust that you are legit, and just give them your Jumia affiliate link and they are going to basically go to the site. Let me show you an instance of what I did. So I listed this one sometimes last year or thereabouts. So if I come to the messages right here, I can view the messages that people have sent to me. And what I did basically was, as you can see, people were still sending me messages, and what I did was to send them my Jumia affiliate link. So this is how you can make money in Nigeria without spending any money. As you can see, this hasn't cost us anything. We've not spent anything. You already have a Facebook account. You have to put it to good use, and just create multiple listings. Create listings every day, and before you know it, you start making tangible money. I hope this video has been helpful. Please like the video, subscribe, and watch out for my next video where I go even in depth and show you how to put this on your website, if you have a website, or if you want to start a blog for Jumia in particular. So I'll see you.